Hey fellow traders, it's Black Coffee Trader. Time to do my daily recap. I did take one trade today, ended up being a winning trade. So 2 little tiny green days to start off the month of July with one single funded account. So here we go. I'm a little bit sad. I missed probably the best move of today in my morning trade plan. If you watched that video this morning, I was looking for pullbacks on the Russell to either the high of day from yesterday or this level around the 2250s, and we got that 2250. I took that trade. I'll critique that in a minute. There were a couple of mistakes made, but that was a winning setup. And I was also looking on the NASDAQ if we got a break and retest of the same thing, the high of day or this area from the Friday high. I was looking for that. And wouldn't you know it, I was in the Russell trade and the NASDAQ pulled back perfectly to this area, which was actually above. That was actually the high of day right here. But we pulled back, or the all-time high, not the all-time high, it was this level of the 914s, which is these highs right here. And I think that lines up with the previous high as well. But anyway, I was in the Russell trade and I missed that great pullback and a beautiful entry, just an absolute beautiful. This is a classic break and retest. Clean break, had news, broke it, pulled back below it, we pushed above it, pulled back, beautiful entry. That could have been a great trade. You take that on 3 contracts. You're looking at, an entry even somewhere here, even nice risk to reward. I mean, I probably could have got out of there with, several $100s in profit. So I missed that trade. A little bit sad about that, but we are going to miss trades from time to time. The key point is I had the market call right, and same thing on ES. This thing just completely rocketed. The Dow Jones did as well. And I ended up taking a trade on the Russell, which went completely sideways. I mean, really did nothing today, just a total sideways day. So, but anyway, I can't complain too much. It was a winning trade. The critique of this trade is this. So I wish I would have entered it earlier, and it's something I need to work on. And I really want to give a shout out to Alpine Trader. I was listening to his stream today, and he mentioned something about watching my recaps, and just noticed that, one of the things that he felt is I'm very cautious. I'm very, very cautious, and he is correct. And it's something I really need to work on. I need to do a better job of just taking my shots and letting the trades work. And a couple things on this specific trade. I saw the entry right here as this. We had a green candle, we had a wick pushing higher, and I should have taken it right away. And I didn't. I waited until we got all the way up to the next candle. And so I missed out on 10 points of profitability, and on 4 contracts, that makes a little bit of a difference. I mean, it would have pushed the profit margins up a little bit on this trade. The other point is, after we sat through all this chop, I took 2 off on this first move, and we pulled back, sat through this, had the news come out at 10 o'clock, sat through that, took 1 off right here at this high, which was a good place to scale 1 off, and I had 1 left. And I put my stop right here below these lows. And when this thing started to fall apart, I just killed it when we got right to break even. Well, the problem with that is I cost myself, probably $40 on this trade, because what I should have done is just left that stop sit. If it takes me out, fine. It would have been, I still would have had a winning trade. I would have just lost a few bucks on this last contract. So, but by taking myself out of the game, I missed the opportunity for this to rebound. And really, this ended up being just a zone. So there was no chance of the big move that I was hoping I would get. But in any case, I just my ultra cautious self cost me money here on the last contract and here on the entry. And hey, thanks Alpine for pointing that out. And this is just one example, and there's plenty of other ones. But if you don't follow Alpine Trader, give him a sub over on his channel. He streams about every single day. Very genuine, very profitable trader, and someone you can learn a lot from. So thank you, Alpine. But anyway, that's the wrap for today. At least a winning trade, and that's a positive. So kind of sticking with that. On the eval front, same thing, 1 trade, and out of basically $100 per account. So nothing, we're not moving very far with these, but hey, green's green and moving the needle. So far so good. Let's look at Trade Zeller real quick. Up $80 today, that 1 trade. Nice R factor, 0.55. 2 little trades here to start the month. Nice little green streak. 3 winning trades in a row now. So we'll take it. we'll take it every day of the week. All right, I am off. I am out. I am not going to be trading tomorrow. I know we have another half day tomorrow, but I'm not going to be trading. And I will probably be trading on Monday morning. So I'll probably have a trade plan update on Monday morning for you guys. And hopefully we'll have a recap on Monday that's positive. So, all right, have a great 4th of July. Have fun, spend some time with the family, and don't hurt yourself with fireworks. And yeah, have a great weekend, and we'll catch up with you on the next one. Take care, and so long.